peat is quite protected. And we don't use any peat compost. In fact, I make my own compost, so I don't use any peat compost. But if you have peat soil where you are, you will know because it's quite dark, quite rich, and you can smell a very earthy smell to it. So peat soil can be quite prone to waterlogging over periods of time. So when you're conditioning it, you will need to add in something to aerate the soil a bit more. When you're digging in the organic matter to dilute down the peat side of the compost, if you like, you can also add in some horticultural grit as well to break it up and aerate the soil. The organic matter will also help to regulate the pH as well. So you can do the same with the chalk soil. You can check the pH before you start conditioning and check it after, and then see if you need to carry on adjusting it accordingly. You can add lime or chalk to neutralise it a little bit more. And with an alkaline soil like chalk, you can add in like an ericaceous soil, which is an acidy compost as well, and that will just ep up the acidity in the soil a little bit. But I would recommend checking the pH before you do anything, otherwise you could be adjusting it backwards and forwards all the time and it'll be no good to anyone. So conditioning down peat soil would be a little bit of horticultural grit in there to aerate it and then break the particles of the soil structure apart to help with drainage and prevent waterlogging, and then the organic matter then to improve the fertility and the way it holds nutrients. Improve drainage, again, like with the horticultural grit, and to neutralise the pH.